Hey guys, how's it going? It is Tuesday, January 19th. It is 12:37 p.m. and I haven't traded yet. All the plays that I have been looking at turned out to be wet powder. Nothing really to get too excited about. So I'm gonna go ahead and be safe today and probably not trade because there's nothing that gets me too excited. And when it looks like things are going to start, like getting good, they go ahead and they retrace. So nope, I don't think I'm gonna be trading today. What I did do is I closed Riot and I closed it for a loss. Okay, so on Friday I sold half my position. So let's see. Let me tell you guys what I did. Bum, bum, bum. I went in on the 14th at 10:35. That means that I went in around there, more or less. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, hold on one second. Wait. Okay, so that's where I went in. Um, I got greedy and I didn't sell here. Okay, well, it is what it is, right? We all make mistakes. I thought that this was going to keep going up. Okay, then the next day it definitely didn't go up. Instead, it fell, right? And I got out at the end of the day at 350, 351, which should have been around there more or less. Maybe the next one. Yeah, well, approximately, right? Now, why didn't I cut my entire loss? Because I still believed in the pattern. I still believed in the pattern, and I thought that it was going to be a long weekend. Um, I mean, Mondays yesterday the markets were closed, so people were going to want to trade, and Bitcoin seems to be hot, so they could trade Bitcoin over the weekend and maybe push it up. Um, nothing really happened, nothing too exciting. And today we tried to break this. We couldn't, so I got out around there. Okay, so the first half I sold for minus 41%, 41.21. The second half I sold for minus 66.06%. That gives me an average of 53.64%, which is pretty much the average loss with options. I have said time and again that that's too big for me, but sometimes it happens, right? The takeaway here, guys, is always be safe. I still believed in my pattern, but I was losing, so I limited my risk. I limited my exposure. I sold half my position here. Then my pattern didn't work out, so I cut it out entirely. And I took a big hit, 50%, but because I trade small, it's not a problem, right? Um, as for today, as for today, the market is flat. This is the SPY, by the way. This is the S&P 500. And it has been flat or choppy, really, since last Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, today. I mean, here people thought that, oh my God, the world is ending again. See, look at the volume, right? But no, this is actually turning out to be quite bullish, right? If we manage to end the day hopefully above this level, above the high of 378.35, then I like it. I like it to go higher. But look at the volume. The volume is tiny compared to Friday. So it's very the SPY is undecided. When the SPY is undecided, it is tough to have plays run. And there have been a number of movers today. Baidu, we got a push up in the morning, but we were never really able to break this high, so I wasn't too interested. We got XPEV, which it's actually looking good now. But again, we were not able to break this in the morning, so there was a shorter trade here, sure, but nothing overly exciting. Then Plug did manage to break this pre-market high and hold it, but it didn't really go anywhere, right? It just stayed flat. They might spike, between now and the end of the day, maybe, but they haven't yet. And LI, I think out of the electric vehicles was the one that I like the most. Look how it broke this level. It retraced and then went back up, right? Which is what I want. Breakout, retest, continuation. But it's doing it too late in the day. Too late in the day. It is well past noon at 12:43, well past the morning market, the market open anyway. And yeah, it's just the SPY is really not helping. So do you really want to take the risk? There's a quote by Livermore, I think. There's a time to go long, there's a time to go short, and a time to go fishing, right? Fishing. And quite frankly, today is the day when you are supposed to go fishing, or at least if you trade like me. It's not decided yet. Honestly, I mean the SPY is just, yeah, it's within this range, these two levels. And I think we're gonna have to get a nice push up with more volume for the market to choose, well, to go up, right? Or really, it's gonna have to break down decisively. Until then, it's just there's a lot of there's a whole lot of nothing really. Yes, there are plays that can be taken, but I don't think the odds are as high as I would like them to be. Why? Because again, the SPY is not helping, so the odds go down. So do I want to take the risk? Possibly not, right? So yeah, anyway, that's gonna be it for now. Like I said, I don't believe I'm going to be trading today. I don't think it's worth it. But if I do, I will let you know or let you know tomorrow. Okay? Alright guys, thank you so much. Cheers. Bye.